Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we will proceed to our today's topic, there is one good news for all that we have launched our Salesforce admin training course. This course is for both beginners as well as for the advanced level expert. You can also watch this even you don't have any knowledge about the Salesforce. We have covered up the 9 plus module with 21 plus hour of HD videos in which we have covered both lightning as well as the classic user interface. We start up with the introduction to the Salesforce and the CRM essentials. We have also let you know about the Salesforce release cycle with the Salesforce edition and the pricing packages too. We also let you know how you can navigate yourself to Salesforce Lightning to the classic and create a free developer account in Salesforce too. We have covered up all the essential features of the Salesforce Lightning interface. Even we have let you know how you can create a user, manage the user, even you can activate, deactivate and create or reset the password of the user. If we talk about the security, we also let you know about the object level security, field level security, record level security, and also let you know how you can share the things with other Salesforce admins. And if we move ahead, we also let you know about how you can create an app with objects and the tab and with its essential features. We have covered up each and every field that are available in Salesforce with some of its functions and the formula in both lightning as well as the classic user interface. If we move to the advanced topic of a Salesforce, we have let you know about how you can create a custom buttons to the links to the action pages and the page layouts and the list view. We also let you know about the schema builder to the process builder and the validation rules, so you can also automate the process executions and the do the automation things. We also let you know how you can use the reports and dashboard to visualize your data inside in Salesforce easily. If we are dealing up with the bulk of a data, you are dealing up with the millions of a data, we have let you know about the data import wizard tools and the data loader, so you can use it to insert, to delete, to update and to create all the data in a one go. So this course is for the Salesforce admin. Even if you don't have any knowledge, you can go with that course. This is a totally 100% self-paced video module. You can go and watch anywhere when you get a time according to your preference. Even we are letting you go, give the PDF material so you can easily grasp the things at the end. We also give you the certification once you complete that course, and this course is available at the 50% of discount right now with the lifetime access. And one of the most best feature of this course is that we are giving you a one-to-one doubt clear session with interview preparations and the internship opportunity. So now let's move back to our today's topic.
So today we will learn about the find function in Salesforce, and we are going to learn this concept for both Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic user interface. So let's firstly understand what does we mean by the find function in Salesforce. So find function is one of the text function of a Salesforce, and it is used to return the position of a search text string in a number. The syntax of this find function is given on your screen. Here we pass the search text as a parameter which specifies the string or a substring that you want to find. The next we have a text as a parameter that specifies the field or the expression in which you want to search the substring. And the last we have a start num. This parameter specifies the number from which it starts the searching process. And this search process always starts from the left side of the string to the right side of the string. So let's see how we can use this find function in Salesforce Lightning as well as a user classic interface. So here I open my Salesforce account. I click on the gear icon given on the top right side and click on the setup option. Once I click on that, it redirects me to the Salesforce Lightning interface main home setup page. And here on the top of the navigation bar, I have object manager tab. I click on that, it will take me to the page where it show me all the objects that are present in Salesforce. I am going to work up with the product one. So here I am going to search for the product in the quick find box. Once I search it down, I click on that. Once I get the result, after that I click on the fields and relationship option given on the left side and click on the new button given on the right side to create a field. Now it's time to choose up the field type on which you want to work. I am going to choose up the formula 1 as I am going to create the formula using the find function. The next thing you have to enter the field label. So here I am entering the field label as a product combo type, and once you click on the anywhere on the screen or the field name get automatically populated based upon the field label that you have entered. The next thing, you need to choose the formula return type. Here I am going to choose the text as the formula return type and click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Now here you need to choose the function find and create up the formula. So here I go to the all function category, choose the text as a function, and here I am going to search for the find as a function. Here I click on that, and here it shows me option of insert selected function. Once I click on that, it will add the find function to the formula editor. Now I am going to create the formula according to my requirement and let you know how it is working on.
So here I enter up my formula. I click on the check syntax button to let you know that whether it is correctly working or not. If there is a no syntax error, it will gives you a message. Now I explain you how I am working on it. Here I use the if statement to check the field name as a product description and try to find the position of the search text given in it, such as a bundle or a combo, using the find function. So if one of these word is found in the description of the product, the formula return will be the combo product, otherwise the formula result as a single product. Okay, so if you want to add any description or help text, you can do that, and even you can handle the blank fields if you are working up with the numeric or currency type. Now you need to click on the next button to proceed to the next step, where you need to choose the profile to which you want to grant the edit access of this field via field level security, and this field will be hidden from all the profile if you don't add it on the field level security. After that, you need to click on the next button, where you need to choose the select the page layout that should include on this field, and the field will be added as the last field in the first two section of the page layout, and the field will not appear on any page if you don't select. Last, you need to click on a save button, and once you click on a save, it successfully created up the formula field using the find function. Now to let's see how it is working, you need to click on the app launcher given on the left side, and here you need to search for the object that is a product, and once you click on that, it will show you the list of all the products that are already created. Either you can go and edit any of one and create a new product as per your choice. So I am going to show you by editing the already existing one. So here I click on that, it will take me to its detail section. Now I click on the drop down arrow given on the top right side and choose the edit option from it to edit this thing. Now here we have a option of a product description. So let's enter the product description first. Here it is. I am going to enter it as it is a combo offer as a description, and click on a save button. And once I click on a save button, it successfully save up the things. Now I scroll down and let you know how it's showing you the product combo type. It automatically set up to the combo product because it finds the word combo in between the description. So with this, we have successfully learned how you can use the find function in Salesforce Lighting. Now we are going to see how we can do that in a Salesforce Classic. Firstly, I click on my profile and click on a switch to a Salesforce Classic option, as I am going to use it for the Classic interface. Now I click on a setup button given on the top right side, and it will take me to the setup page of a Salesforce Classic. Now I scroll down to the build section on the left side, expand the customize drop down and choose the object on which I want to use it down. So I am going to show you the example for the context. I click on that and choose the option of a field, as I am going to create up the new field. For creating a new field, I scroll down to the contact custom fields in relationship section, and here I have a new as a button. I click on that. Now I choose the formula as a field type because I am going to create a formula using the find function that finds the position. So here now I am entering the field label as per my requirement, and my requirement for the field label is as a contact category. So here I type it down, and once I click anywhere on the screen or I click on a field name, it get automatically populated based upon that. And next you have to choose the formula return type. I choose the text as a formula return type and click on the next button. Now here you need to create up the formula as per your requirement using the find function, and for using the find function, you need to click on the all function category, choose the text as a category and select for the find function and insert it on the formula editor. So I am going to create a function, then I will explain you how it is working on. Here I pasted down my formula. I click on the check syntax button to let's see how it is working on. So there is a no syntax error. So it means the formula is correctly fine. Here I use the if function to categorize the context based upon the field name as a contact highlight. And this function if check the specific word name as a speaker. If it is a found, it assign the category to the speaker. The next if statement is used to specify the word sponsor. If it is found, it set the category to the sponsor. Next if I use to find the word as a VIP. If it is found, it set the contact category as a VIP, and if none of the case is found, it set the contact category as a regular. Now I click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Here you need to choose up the profile to which you want to grant the edit access. Some of them are already selected, some of them are unchecked. If you want to grant them, you need to check the checkbox in the visible column and you need to click on the next button. Here on the last step, you need to choose the page layout on which you want to include this particular field. Here all of them are already selected. If you want to revoke any of the access, you can do that by unchecking the checkbox and click on a save button. Once I click on a save, it successfully saved the formula field using the find function for the context subject. Now to let's see how it's working on. I click on the context as object even on the top right side, and I am going to randomly edit the one of the contact to let you know how it is working. Here I am going to enter the contact highlight as a special VIP person in the event and click on a save button. So you can see that the contact category is set to the regular without that, and once I click on a save button, it changed its category to VIP because it finds the VIP as a substring in the given contact highlight. So with this we have learned how you can use the find function in Salesforce Lightning as well as a classic user interface. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.